How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make a bolt in FreeCAD. Now, this is going to be extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to make sure that you have the fasteners option. Now, this is an add-on on FreeCAD. To get this specific add-on, head over to Tools, click Add-on Manager, then click on OK. Now, you then want to search for fasteners in order to install our add-on. Now, you just have to wait for the progress to actually finish before you could use the add-on manager. Click the fasteners workbench and then just click on the install button. So from there, it's extremely simple. Just navigate through fasteners, and then you will be able to see a lot of options that we could use on the fasteners category. So maybe you want to do something like this specific bolt right here. Of course, I'm just going to select a random one since this is only a tutorial. And basically, if you want to edit this out, you can simply do so by just clicking on it. In here, you could do something like the diameter, the inverse, and more. So let's actually make this longer to something like 35 millimeters. And then let's apply some threads by once again heading over to the side properties. And then we want to make sure that the thread is set to true. And that's basically it. Once again, you can edit out more settings if you want to, but that's how you generally do it. Just head over to the fasteners option and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow guide to everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.